In this video, I'll be getting my 1979 MG Midget out and ready for summer. Let's get started. The Midget needs an oil change and the fluids topped off before we can do anything. Going to have to use my redneck way of doing things to pop the hood. Next, I'm going to go ahead and get my jack. And then my jack stands. Now I'm going to go ahead and jack up the front end. Now for my oil drain pan. Now that that's all done, next we're going to go ahead and do a typical oil change. Drain the oil. Change the filter. Change the filter. I said change the filter. Ah, there we go. Okay, finally got it off. And this time I'm not going to He-Man it on there. I didn't have my oil filter band wrench, so I had to figure out a way to get it off. After lubing up a new one with new oil, it goes on hand tight. Next I'm going to put in the specified amount of oil. Let's go ahead and check all the other fluids as well. The coolant needs topped off. After topping off the coolant, next is the very odd Zenith Stromberg carburetor. I have to top off the oil inside this canister. Oh yeah, we're empty. It's a very odd design. I better not get into it. Now that the oil change is done and the fluids are topped off, it's time to go ahead and start it up and check for the correct oil level. Oh man. And I forgot to disconnect the battery last fall. Put this thing back on the ground. So while it's on the charger, let's use my Milwaukee battery-powered tire inflator to air up the tires. If you want one of these, I highly suggest getting one. I keep it in my everyday driver. I'll go ahead and link it in the video description for you. All the tires are aired up, so let's go ahead and try to start this thing up again. Dang it.
Okay, let's do it again.
After several failed attempts, it started up. I'm going to move this thing outside so we can give it a good bath. So to start off, I'm going to use my Milwaukee leaf blower to get all these loose particles off the Midget. Now that it's blown off, I need to fill a wash bucket. With a quick rinse of water, then a good wash by hand. Then another rinse all over it. I then hit it with the chamois towel so it won't leave watermarks. Then a quick hand wax and buff. Then some tire shine to make those dusty tires look like new. Now that it's all cleaned up, watch as a big guy struggles to get in a small car.
Oh, Lordy. God, it's a small car.
Now we go for a ride. Yeah, this little 1.5 liter or 1500 cc engine is straight piped. Someone way before I had it straight piped it, and with a header. Needless to say, this thing is loud. I figured since some of you may not live in the Midwest, let alone the United States, I would show you how flat our landscape really is, plus all of those fields. Now that we're back, to prevent all of this hard work from going to waste, I did go ahead and invest in buying a fitted cover. But before I put the cover on, I have to fold in the mirrors first. Not bad, it's a super nice cover. With that being said, thanks for watching my video. If you would like another video of my MG Midget, please hit the like button and comment below. Make sure you subscribe and check out my other videos. Until next time, see you guys.